and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey, thanks for watching. Today's video we're going to be talking all about the new, or is it new? It's not really that new anymore. The new to me Morphe 3502 palette. This is the box that it came in and I have literally just used it just now to do this eye look. Well, this eye look along with a couple of other palettes. If you want to see this look, this is the I Follow Jaclyn Hill's makeup tutorial look. I'll link it up here for you so you can go and check that out. But yeah, I just wanted to, wrong way around Ailey, I just wanted to share my thoughts of this palette with you. Does that make any sense? Yeah, I literally just got it, and the reason that I got it was I really wanted to do the I Follow along with X's makeup. And this is the palette that Jaclyn used, and as you can see there's a couple of shades that I've used in it. So I just really wanted to share my thoughts with you on the palette. What I'll do is I'll probably insert swatches just because it's easier than doing it here and putting it on my arm. I just think that it'll be a little bit less cluttered, the video won't be as rambly. So the shades that I have used in the palette are Universal, Orb, Ablaze, Heat, Fire and Ruby. Yeah, they're all the ones that I've used so far, and so far, I mean, you can probably see from the look that is on my eyes right now, they are stunning. Obviously there's other palettes on there as well, but they blend out beautifully, and I mean, I'm always impressed with Morphe shadows, I really am. And I just think that they're getting better and better, and I just keep waiting for the price to go up because they're going to realise that their shadows are as good, if not better, than a lot of high-end shadows that are more expensive. So please, 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 Morphe, if you're watching this, which I highly, highly doubt in a million years you are, please never put your prices up. I know that's a really big ask, but you know, never ever go up to high-end prices because it's absolutely phenomenal that a brand can offer something such high quality for such an amazingly reasonable price. So yeah, as I said, I've showed it before, this is the palette here. I absolutely adore this shade here. I mean, that's like the most stunning corally pinky colour ever, and I've used this one on my eye today as well. I mean, look at that. They are just stunning. And then what I'll maybe do is we'll just do like a couple, so you can just get an idea of the pigment. I mean, I'll take my thumb, let's pick a colour, this one. We'll do one swipe, and there you go. Bam! They're stunning. I mean, now my hand's manky and I don't know what to do with it, but pretty much, yeah, it's just yummy. It's just, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Morphe palettes now, and I probably have every shade I'll ever need, to be honest. I mean, there really isn't much else that I would need. I think they're all stunning. Anyway, I'm getting like totally mesmerized by this palette right now, but I just can't find fault with this palette at all. So I will just do like top row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. If you want to know the names of them, I'll list them in the description box below in order kind of from left to right, top to bottom. But I'll maybe do some live swatches and insert a live swatch bit at the end of this video just to show you kind of how they perform anyway. So I'll maybe change my setup a little bit just so that I can organise that for you, and I'll overlay it. But yeah, I mean, there isn't a massive amount to say about it. I really like Morphe, I really like their shadows, I really like their prices. There isn't anything bad I have to say. I really like their brushes and stuff like that, and I know that they face a lot of controversy, but I mean, if people like their products, they're going to promote them. It doesn't mean that they're being paid, it doesn't mean that they're lying to you. It just means that they like the products. Yes, okay, you can't say that for everybody, but I mean, they're definitely not paying me, that's for sure. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I will throw in the live swatches now and let you see what they look like. And like I said, if you want to see them in action, you can go and watch this look. I will link it for you and I will put it in the description box below as well. But that is about it from me. So on to the swatches. Before I go, I will say if you like this video, I'd love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you in the next one, and enjoy the swatches.